Once again, freeze warning tonight across the valley and freezing potential again tomorrow night coming up. So all the valley in the blue here, which blue's a cold color, indicating a freeze warning, kicks in at midnight tonight through 9 a.m. tomorrow morning. So I think the best chance to see those temperatures drop down below freezing will be as we get toward like 3, 4 o'clock in the morning, toward just after sunrise tomorrow morning, especially if those clouds that are covering us right now start to thin out very late tonight. So look at some of the forecast lows tonight. This is up for debate a bit. If it stays cloudy most of the night, these temperatures probably about 2 degrees or warmer than what's on the map. But if we start to see the clearing come in from west to east, these temperatures probably more likely to be a bit closer to these numbers. So about 29 for a low tonight in Roma, 29 in Rio Grande City, and 28 in San Ysidro. Most of Hidalgo County, and about 30 to 32 degrees for lows. And again, it's not going to dip below freezing this evening and then stay below freezing all night. We're talking about late tonight. As we get toward 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning or later, we could start to see those temperatures near freezing. And even in the lower valley, a lot of places around 30 to 32 degrees as well, including 32 in Los Fresnos, 33 in Brownsville, and 44 staying above freezing near the coast and at South Padre Island. So not every place is as cold. And again, the lows tonight, I think it's the same map in there again. Oh, it is. It's in there twice, double dip. But temperatures right now at 35 in Weslaco, 36 in Rio Grande City, and 36 in Harlingen as well as Raymondville. So, we're only like a few degrees away from freezing right now, but the temperature probably kind of hanging steady or falling very slowly this evening. Again, the key is to watch to see if those clouds begin to thin late tonight, when temperatures then could drop a few more degrees to near or below freezing. A wind chill advisory also in effect for the valley. The wind chill, how cold it feels on your exposed skin, still makes it feel like it's between about 22 and 30 degrees most of this evening and tonight coming up. So this is how cold it feels to you. It doesn't mean that your plants or any vegetation you have outside is going to be chilled or frozen. The wind chill is just the effect we feel when the air rips away the heat faster from our body. So again, wind chill advisory continues through tomorrow morning as well, because right now the winds are blowing around 20 miles per hour in Cameron and Wolsey County. So you take those temperatures in the 30s and combine that wind, it feels like it's in the 20s over most of the lower valley. Again, the apparent temperature is at 25 in Harlingen and in Raymondville. Now across Texas, pretty quiet for the most part in terms of rain today. You see one little disturbance here actually tried to cause a couple snow flurries there just south of Houston earlier this afternoon, but things pretty dry right now. You don't see really a back edge to the clouds quite yet forming, but I think later tonight some of these clouds will begin to thin more and more across the upper valley as we get closer to sunrise. So it's been cold across Texas though, 29 in Austin, 32 in San Antonio, and 21 right now in Abilene. Now here's future track, and you see it still has a little bit of drizzle around this evening, and then tonight clouds may start to thin. You notice how the thicker clouds forecast to move away and the clouds may begin to thin after we get around 2 or 3 in the morning or later. So when that happens, if it happens, temperatures could drop then late tonight. So that's why, especially as I said, as we get toward 3, 4, 5 o'clock in the morning or later, if the clouds clear out, temperatures then may go down several degrees, down close to the freezing mark or slightly below. So freezing temperatures possible tonight in the upper valley, of course, will clear out first if things clear from west to east. So in Starr County and Hidalgo County, probably your better chance to get to near freezing. But sunshine returns tomorrow. I think tomorrow's the day when temperatures back up around 50. 50 will feel warm tomorrow if the sun's out compared to what we've seen lately. But tomorrow night, still cold, a clear, chilly night. We might again see temperatures late at night through Thursday morning drop down to near freezing again for Thursday morning briefly. Now high pressure coming in from the north. Also, this is on future track tonight and tomorrow, kind of killing off some of the winds. I think that effect of killing off the winds late tonight and even more so tomorrow night keeps the chances of freezing temperatures still in the forecast. But we do have warmer days ahead. So the first 1570 forecast, highs near 52 on Wednesday with sunshine, still a light breeze from the north and northwest at times, especially along the coast and the coastal counties. Thursday, some sunshine near 60, but remember, it could be near freezing again Thursday morning. By Friday, we're a little warmer, highs in the 60s with no freezing and maybe 1 or 2 sprinkles if the clouds thicken up. But notice then all the 70s come back for highs Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. So warmer days are ahead. You just have to wait a few days, and your first 1-5 forecast here in a few minutes.